Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today is my very first haul unboxing of the Planner Society. I have seen these for years and I really just didn't see them being for me because I was in a Happy Planner and then I was in an Erin Condren. But now that I'm in a TN, Traveler's Notebook, I feel like I have can use more of this stuff and be more creative. That's like one of the great things about having a traveler's notebook is you can make it however you want. So I signed up for a planner society and this is my first box. And so I'm just going to open it up and pull out the beautiful bag which shows the theme. I love these boxes. They're really nice. I will probably use it to store my stuff. Now, my friend suggested using a hairdryer so that I could use this paper also, but funny thing, I don't own a hairdryer. So I'm just gonna cut this really carefully and I may eventually get some undo and then I can use that on this. Maybe that'll work. If not, just have a little section I can't use. So I'm going to slide everything out. I have seen spoilers, so I'm super excited. I love the paper. Definitely could use this part for something. Okay, so much stuff. It's awesome. Okay, first thing is this beautiful bag, and it's kind of like a denim material, like canvas material, so it looks a little like faded compared to the actual papers because the paper's supposed to look vintage. This I think I'm actually going to put in my purse and have my pens in so that they are in one place. Let's see. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff. I just don't know. These are dividers for that match the kit, and they're a really cool, you know, things like goals, wish list, church, little labels to put on there. That is really, really neat. There is a beautiful patch. That is a coffee cup. I really, really like that. There is a pen with glitter in it. Oh my gosh, look at that. Here, I don't know. Look at that. So pretty. This is gorgeous. There's so much stuff. There's some fabric. Oh, what is that? Okay, these are definitely clips, but what are these other things? They're like little bands. I don't know what they're for. Can someone tell me in the comments what they're for? Because I don't know. I'll ask my friend too. She knows all this stuff. There's a cute notepad. Definitely love that. There is this stamp set. I don't own any stamp stuff, but I may know someone that would like this. This I was super excited about. They're little doilies. Let me take one out because I'm really excited about this. I thought this was just such a great idea because I want to put these in my room. Look at these cute doilies. They're paper doilies, so you can't like use them to, you know, put stuff, wet stuff on, but they're really pretty. I like them a lot. There is, I'll open that. That's, I think, stickers. Then you have matching washi. Oh, and it's got rose gold foil on it. I don't know if it's showing up. Let me see if I can open it. I can't open it. Just trust me, it's really, really pretty. Then we have this bow with an extension clip. Again, really nice fabric. We have all these like project cards. Ooh, the gold foiling is so pretty. You know, rose gold. All these like cards and stuff and fun. Oh, these are just so cute. Oh, I like this one. Just fun die cuts. of lots of stuff that is themed in it that you could just make cute, adorable dashboards with. Oh, and I forgot to, oh no. So I always put the sealed down planner trick. Then we have the papers, which I am so excited to be, I know I keep saying, I'm so excited. I am just super excited. Because I also got something else that isn't in the box, but goes with the box, and I'll show you in a minute. So here are the papers, and I believe there's some vellum in here too. Yeah, there is. So you have the main one, you have 2 of these, and the back looks like that, which, oh, I love that. So there's the first one. So you can make dashboards and covers. Ooh, look at that colors on that. And then the polka dots. You have this vellum with the rose gold on it. Oh, and this is gorgeous. Very pretty. Oh, and an acetate. Oh, I'm making a cover out of this. For, oh, you're not going to be able to tell. Here, I'll do it like that. It's very nice. So you can acetate. So 3 different papers that are double-sided. You get 2 vellums and an acetate. That is awesome. Okay, now let's, this little one. Oh, the sticker came up quite easily. What's in here? Yep, the stickers that go with it. So, I only got the Planner Society box because that's all I really need. So there's these stickers. So it's all the things that were the die cuts. But they're stickers. Oh, these are really cute. I like these. So girly and fun. So yeah, that is that. And what I got with it was she offered this month a matching B6 cover. Isn't this so awesome? Like, it's so cute. It's so pretty. I already have my planner in it. So here's the inside, and it has 2 covers. It's like a foamy fake plastic. Let me see. And then it has 4 bands and a pocket on the back. And I have 2 of my inserts, my monthly, which I just did a plan with me for that. And then my weeklies, which once I get this set up and start making stuff for it, I will definitely do a walkthrough. But yeah, this is my first one, and there will be 2 more for sure, because you have to sign up for 3 months when you order. But there is so much stuff in here, and it is so pretty, and I'm so excited. I will link the Planner Society down below. Definitely check it out if you are into TNs and all that kind of stuff. They're definitely, like, there's so much stuff in here to do. Like, make things. I'm just overwhelmed. It's so amazing. So yes, I will see you guys in the next one. I hope you enjoyed this. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Bye.